Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Afterpay card details inside the application. So first of all, you need to open your Afterpay application on your phone. You need to make sure that you sign in first in your Afterpay account. So as you can see, currently I'm on afterpay.com. So once you are inside, simply go to the option of card. Then Afterpay is going to basically show you the digital card which is stored there. If you haven't set it before, the app will guide you to activate it first. So once your card is active, you will normally see the card name, the last four digits of your card, and your card status. For security purposes, Afterpay doesn't show you the full 16-digit card number inside the application. So this particular step is to protect you from the fraud or the misuse. So if you added your Afterpay card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet, that wallet will show a device account number or tokenized number, which is different from the real card number but is used for the payments. So that is normal and safe to use in stores or online where Afterpay is accepted. Now, if you need the card information because you lost your card, you can think someone used it or can't access the account, you can use the app's support options and verify your identity. They can help you with freezing, replacing, or checking the card transactions, but they will not send you the full card numbers for security reasons. Now, if your goal is simply to pay in store, you don't need the full number at all. You just add the Afterpay card to your phone wallet and tap on the option of pay where Afterpay is supported. For the online purchases, you can use Afterpay checkouts rather than typing the card numbers manually. Always remember that never share the screenshots of your card page. Don't give any codes or accounts access to anyone, and report any strange changes immediately inside the application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.